ducks went out to play over the hill and far away. Mama duck said, quack, 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 but only 4 little ducks came back. 4 little ducks went out to explore. They waddled and splashed and quacked some more. Mama duck said, quack, 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 but only 3 little ducks came back. 3 little ducks went out to roam, looking for snacks, not heading home. Mama duck said, quack, 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 but only 2 little ducks came back. 2 little ducks had fun in the sun, swimming around till the day was done. Mama duck said, quack, 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 but only 1 little duck came back. 1 little duck went off to hide, found a small pond and slipped inside. Mama duck said, quack, 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 but no little ducks came waddling back. Mama duck cried, oh, where could they be? Quack, 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 please come to me. She waited and called with all her might till 5 little ducks came back.